Good morning, everyone. My name is Susan Fincher-Stoll. I'm a partner at the law firm of Harris and Pensa in London, and my areas of practice are estate planning, trusts, and tax planning, as well as representing charities. This morning I want to speak to you a little bit about the importance of succession planning in the context of farm operations. I want to touch on the importance of having a will. The first thing to remember, if you don't have a will, then you have not got anything in place to determine how your assets are distributed and when they're distributed. The other important thing to keep in mind is that without a will, there is no one with authority to act to deal with the distribution of your estate. Another important point to keep in mind regarding why it's important to have a will is that when you do will planning, we can integrate within that planning important tax-saving steps to ensure that not only that your assets are transferred to the appropriate persons, but also with the minimum amount of taxes. The other thing I'd like to touch upon just briefly in the context of your estate planning is the importance of having powers of attorney. You can have a power of attorney for property as well as a power of attorney for personal care. The power of attorney for property allows you to name someone to deal with your affairs, your property affairs, which includes your assets, including your land, your bank accounts, your investments, in the event of incapacity, or if you're ever in a situation where you cannot act. Again, it's important that you do that now while you have capacity to ensure that in the event of incapacity, someone's in charge to ensure that there's an easy transition in the event of incapacity. The last document I want to focus on is a power of attorney for personal care, and it allows you to name someone again to make decisions about your personal care if you're incapable. Personal care involves not only health care, but long-term care and home care if ever you need it. So I hope that's helpful. Thank you.